Problem 19. The pie charts indicate the percent of students who prefer golf, bowling, or tennis at East Junior High School and West Middle School. At East, 22% prefer tennis. At West, 40% prefer tennis. The total number of students at East is 2,000 and at West is 2,500. In the two schools combined, the percent of students who prefer tennis is what? The choices are 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34%. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Count the tennis fans at each school. Divide by the combined total. So 32% prefer tennis, choice C.